Okay, it's April 30th, 2020, and the same problem areas that I've been documenting. Um, so it's just the light of day because for some reason it's been raining at night. But here you can see the water coming off of the MVP corridor and a little waterfall coming down here. This is the first one. It's coming down here into Yellow Finch Lane, and it is from the corridor up there. I'd seen evidence of it continuing to erode, but the rain was happening in the middle of the night, and so I could just speculate what was happening. It's not raining right now. The rain has stopped. It's been stopped for probably about a half an hour, but it's still draining down here. So I'm able to get the direct evidence of it coming off of the corridor where it's accumulated. I'll have to go up above and walk up. But I just wanted to show how it is continuing down this path here. A nice little sediment-filled waterfall coming down here where the water's collecting. And then it comes down here into the lane. You've seen this before. Now it's April 30th, 2020. The problem still has not been solved. And see, we're coming back where the original little slippage was that came down into the lane where instead of correcting it, they made it worse. So here we are, a classic place where it comes, it makes a big puddle, where it has gone over before, which doesn't look like that's what's happening right now. Let me go up and around. This, the last time I was up here, it was bubbling underneath. There's a very deep puddle there. Yeah. You can see how it's gone down to the stream over there. Let me go over here to see. And that's where it is coming underneath the silt sock. Puddle underneath the silt sock. Collects down here and ends up in the stream, the waterways of the endangered Roanoke log perch.